old idiot. Yes, man.
So I was reading the Jamaican Star recently. Big up the Jamaican Star, by the way. I was reading the Star, right? And the title of an article in the Dear Pastor column caught my eye because it was so strange. I think the article was titled, "My husband likes to lick my nostrils." Plot twist! You thought I was going to say puss? The lady writing to their pastor said her husband likes to lick her nostrils. Look in the description of this video for the link so you can read the story for yourself. But let me give you a quick rundown in case you are not too intelligent and you don't want to embarrass yourself like Floyd Mayweather trying to read. Welcome, pastor. The first time writing, me didn't want to look a teenager, but now me a half idiot plus 6. That means I'm not 26. I'm married to Enlarkit and put a ring on it. Anyways, pastor, I listen to your show every night, you see. I'm here, my husband, so tell them look at idiot girl for mind themselves. My husband, the two of we are Christian. We don't have no picnic. I'm in a barn. I'm married for about 2 years now. Yeah. Cause Princess Baby are 16, so we're married for about 2 years now. My husband a full idiot, so that means I'm a fat. Him have some little strange things about him. And some of them little strange things that me not like no pastor, me like them. Cause look here, him love when the two of we bed together. And you see after we bed together, him lift me up and him put me upon the bed and him powder me up. Sometimes when I don't powder, him throw like a floor upon me, but I don't know. And then him lick me all over my skin, pastor, me like it. But pastor, that's not a problem. They say anytime we do the things, him just love for roll up him tongue like a big wet towel and shove you up in my nose. And sometimes my nose has some big bug in there and sometimes we spend all a good 15-20 minutes and lick out my nose hole. No, lie, no pastor. Sometimes I like when him a lick out my nose, but me I wonder if that good for me. I see after him lick out my nose, him come kiss me. Lord, that crab up, not true pastor. Me not like that. I'm tell him say, look, if you go kiss me, do it before you push your tongue in my nose hole. It look like thick broken iron ears. Cause him still do it. And pastor, you see true, me not want to clot him because me love him so much. And me know say me a wife. And me not gonna make no little idiot me take come take with my man because him love shove up him tongue in my nose hole and lick it out. And me know some of them mate out there ready if you make him lick out all the ears hole. And me know in that pastor got my face tired. Well on, the part of juicy, me have to read it. Like when we first got married and he introduced oral sex to me, I told him I do not want to do that. But no, he doesn't have to ask me for it, Papa Jesus. So you see as him tell you do, are you that pioneer? Slurp, slurp, slurp. She said she volunteered, Papa Jesus. She said if I could have gotten pregnant by doing oral sex, it would have happened. Because most times we do that instead of sexual intercourse. Whoa, instead of the sex. Whoa, she woo. Anyways, back to what me have said. Shall I remix the gauge throat for this one? My color one a nostril. Dung inna your nostril. Tapping nice when me lick out your nostril. Swallow the bugle like say, me a take a pill of dung inna your nostril. Girls, getting your coochie eaten, that lame now. If your man not lick out your nostril, you not say nothing. You see, if your man not suck all the elbow there, if your man not lick all them place here, suck off them place here, you not say nothing. So baby, when you gonna make me lick it? No, we are talk about pum pum man. Them thing they not eat again, man. We talk about them eyebrow there. Sure no baby. You lick off your eyebrow them clean. Not even want squeeze your breast them again. See them rotted shoulder blade the way you have around so pinch up on the tip of your shoulder blade, you see girl. Right now me just love all how for your kneecap them just look kneecappy. Baby, me just put my tongue between your kneecap on us. Did I mention that they were a Christian couple? You Christians, you are doing some things I don't know. But guess why I can't get mad at the Christians? Because whenever you're married, you are legal to have sex. You don't know what kind of sex you want to have, but you're legal to do it. Your thing get blessings from God. That's why you know. Have sex whenever you feel like, wherever you feel like. All of your sex include licking out some nostril. This is a strange one, but I just had to share it with you guys. You know, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it. I mean, if you're married and you know that's your thing, lick out your woman nostril. To achieve it, lick out the nostril there. Go right up in her nose hole.